3.6 Identify AWS storage services. Every system needs power and memory, and storage is the arc reactor of AWS. S3 offers durable object storage with multiple classes for cost efficiency. EBS and Instant Store provide high performance block storage. EFS and FSX deliver file storage for shared applications. For hybrid and backup solutions, Storage Gateway and AWS Backup keep data safe and accessible. When Tony tests his new arc reactor, it's about power management and endurance. S3 is your core energy source. EBS and EFS distribute that energy where it's needed. Backups and lifecycle policies ensure your data never dies. It evolves with you.